Hi, my name is King. Today I'm going to introduce you to my Arduino project, which I managed to do for my first semester. Um, this is how it works. It's very simple. Yeah, this the blue device is DHT11 sensor, and we've got Arduino board sitting at the bottom, and on top is Arduino Internet Shield. So what it does is it reads humidity and temperature sensor and then sends it across on the network and stores in the database. On this nice PC, I've got MySQL Server database sitting on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a quick demo for us to see how my project works. First of all, I'm going to create a table in the database, and then I'll power the Arduino and then see what we can get from it. So at the moment, I'm going to create the table and then in the database, and then we power the board and see how this this device records the temperature and humidity. So now the table has been created. What I'm going to do is I'm going to query from the database to see if there is any information, if there is any existing information there before powering the device, because we want to be sure that it's recording in the database. So I'm going to, there's none. As you can see from the result, it's saying that ID is null, humidity is null, temperature is null, and recorded date and time is also null, which means there's no data in the database. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to power the Arduino and then see how this device records temperature in the database. So the Arduino is powered now. You can see the lights are on, and the LED lights blinking as well. So which means it's reading now. It's reading some temperature and humidity. So I'm going to query. I'm going back to the database here and then query it again and see. So as you can see, it's recording. It's recording. It has recorded some data. It's got the ID, the humidity, which is 48, temperature. In this room is 21, and it records. The date and time as well. And this device reads. Every 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds, it reads. Temperature and humidity. So that's how it reads. So here it's still recording. Every 2 seconds it records something in the database. So we've got all this, so which means this device is working. Also, I can check from here, so I can query from the command prompt to make sure that it's still recording. So I'm going to query the database from the command prompt as well and see how it reads as well. I think I've typed something wrong here, so it's throwing an error. I left a keyword here, so let me add that. So it's reading. As you can see, it's reading the humidity and the temperature. The last thing I'm going to do, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blow some air on this device. I'm going to blow some air and then see if the humidity and the temperature will change. Probably it will go up or down depending on how this device has been designed. So I'm going to blow some air on it and then see how what reading you get from it. Because at the moment the readings will stay the same, So I'm going to blow some air on it and then see how the readings will go. Yes, so I'm going to query the database again, then see how it goes. So if we take a close look at it now, as we can see from here, the humidity jumps from 49 to 73, and then from 73 to 93. And if you look at it, the temperature as well, it jumps from 22 to 23, 23 to 24, 24 to 25, and then it goes up and up, or whatever. It goes up. So this is what I managed to do, and there's more room for improvement. So kindly, thanks for watching this video, and if you've got any comments or any advice, kindly give a comment on my page, and that would be really appreciated. Thank you. Bye.